Ready to go for a walk? Ready to go for a walk? Yeah, I'm gonna go. It's 7:30 a.m. and Megan and I are going to, well, to Puppy 2. We're going to a nature walk, park, whatever. I woke her up early to go enjoy nature before she goes to work. Again, I slammed it before I could.
I know, like you do that every single time. I swear to God, every single time.
I got the avalanche this time.
Well, here, mine has barely been touched. Mine is the campfire cold brew. S'mores forever.
That is a very good one, but you know what? I think this is
You
it.
just love your mint.
Mint is the best. It's absolutely the best. So, you're the host now. Where are we at?
We are at Red Oaks Nature Center in Madison Heights. Come on, bud. Come on. And he has to smell every single thing on our walk. Dude, come on. Come on. Let's go. Where are we starting?
Like, at least let us get in first.
Come on. We bought it.
Oh. Guy's here to run. I said that guy's here to run. I wish I would a little bit closer. I'd be running here. It's like a good spot.
Honestly, we're not that far from Dodge Park. You know what I mean?
I mean, just to go out and run.
No, I know.
That seems.
20-minute drive isn't that bad.
No, it's not that bad, but it's one of those, it's like, I'm going to drive 40 minutes to run for 10 or 20, you know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't.
Come on.
I gotta pee, man. Do you see or hear anybody?
No, it was just that guy.
Yeah, he just went that way, right? I've been trying to stay hydrated. I read something online that says, like, you get dehydrated throughout the night, so you wake up dehydrated and your brain doesn't function properly when you're even just a little bit dehydrated.
Oh, come on.
So, try to wake up. Oh, caution, poisonous. Poison ivy, please stay on trails. Is that poison ivy right there, right by the sign?
Yes.
All right. See, this is the time to get out here because all the cars aren't all crazy and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Stop.
Yeah. I think that's like to the neighborhood probably.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I want to start getting out more and just walking. Gets good for you.
Yeah, it is. Come on.
So I want to try to get at least like 10,000 steps a day or whatever, you know. Helps burn calories, and it's something like this. It's just relaxing, you know.
It is, yeah. Nice way to start the day, too.
Yeah. Just chill and...
Come on. Every single thing, like he just sees something.
Just let him sniff a little bit.
Well, I've seen that he saw the squirrel.
Oh, yeah.
Foaming at the mouth. Yeah, you're foaming at the mouth. Relax. Come on. No squirrels. Right, come on. Come on. Just in case.
Let him smell, Bubba. Sure.
Just in case.
Remember, it's not the actual walk that does him good. It's the...
Oh, it's the sniffing and the smelling. All
Yeah.
the information he's getting.
Exactly.
I just don't want him going too into the wooded area because I don't want him to get fucking...
Yeah, I agree.
Because that's where they live. Ah! Damn fucking daddy longlegs.
Yeah, I was going to wear my shorts, but I'm like, you know what? Just with how the ticks are and everything right now, and I'm just going to wear pants.
These areas are pretty good. It's just that, like, when you actually, like, walk in the brush of the woods, like, if you
Yeah.
stay on the trail, you'll be fine.
Well, they spray for this stuff.
Yeah, they
But-
do, but they've been fucking rampant.
I know, and that's why I'm kind of like, I don't...
So, yeah, when you stay on the trail, it's okay.
Yeah.
But it's when you start getting into the wooded areas more is when you gotta worry about it.
Right.
And I knew it was gonna be a little cooler back here, too.
Yep.
I was like, I'm gonna grab my hoodie. Just...
I mean, it was a little bit more chill this morning. Last night I woke up and I was like, brr,
Yeah.
and I turned off the AC.
Yeah.
Yeah, because my alarm went off at 5. And then I turned it off and I laid there. I just kind of went on my phone
Yeah.
till, I don't know, I want to say about like 5:30. And then I got up and was like, all right. Drank my water, made my coffee, fed him. I was reading into the artificial sweeteners.
Yeah.
And ones that don't have like, watch out, that's poop. That's poop.
Nope.
Artificial sweeteners, ones that don't have like a crazy aftertaste. And I found this one, and I forget the name of it, but I looked it up. But they said it's about 70 to 80% of the same sweetness profile as sugar. you can actually caramelize it just like sugar. Yeah, and it doesn't have like a crazy aftertaste like most people.
Nope.
Most people, you know, they just use it as a straight up replacement.
Yeah.
So, and I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna look for that next time we go grocery shopping, because I got the stevia,
Yeah.
and like, it just has that aftertaste.
Yeah.
I do like how that stuff mixes in though, because it's like powder.
Yeah. Where do you want to go? Which way? Or I think we can't go that way.
No, because that goes, yeah, to there.
That's
I've
the
done that
different-
before.
yeah.
I think that's actually a school or something. But yeah, it has like that aftertaste to it. So I want to try to find something, even if though like Splenda and all that. I do like that. I do like Splenda. So, but I want to find ways so I can just like 0 calories, you know what I'm saying? Like, because I really do enjoy my coffee. But like, I want to be able to make like good coffee.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Like, I want to be able to enjoy my coffee and from home. It's funny. I was like, I'm gonna use 0 sweetener, you know, 0 sugar sweetener, 0 calories anyway. You know, because I don't want the extra calories. I'm like, no, let's go to Biggby's.
Yeah.
Because they don't.
Can be a treat.
That is a, yeah, I mean,
like
that's dessert, dude.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. That's like your, okay, I'm gonna fucking overload on the sugar.
Yeah,
today,
right.
Like, no.
But yeah, I think it's just right now I need to reset my palate.
Yeah.
Because my palate is so used to having high
Okay.
sugar and,
Sugar and sweet.
yeah. Do you want me to hold them?
Stop it. No, it's okay.
All right.
You just crack it out.
You need to,
Hey,
here.
stop.
Yeah, like, control them.
Milo, relax.
So when he even gives a little tug, just yank. Every time, yep.
Stop.
He'll get it. It's gonna be excessive, but the sounds of nature.
Milo?
I want to go to a park that I haven't been to. At least one that I haven't gotten on film. Because I think I got Spencer on my thing. I got Dodge. I don't know if I got Bloomer on video.
I don't think so.
Oh, you know what though? When I first got this, I think I went to the Rochester Park, and it was all like, it was not green at that point. I should go back there.
Sit down. Sit. Sit. Yeah, slobber all over your face. You look like a mess. You look crazy right now. You ready to behave? You ready to behave?
Well, look how high that one is.
Probably was eaten on it a long time ago, and then it's grown since then. Maybe.
I don't know. That's crazy though.
Come on, Green Hill. Come on. You were doing so good for just a second.
You hear it?
Yeah, I can see where it is. I can't tell.
That doesn't sound like a woodpecker though. That's weird. Because woodpeckers are more...
Yeah, like quick.
Yeah.
Might be a squirrel.
Yeah, something.
Did you get something on you? Oh, I think it's just this that's bugging you. Yeah, did that? Come on.
We should grab some food one time and just come here.
Yeah, that would be nice. I mean, we gotta turn around.
I don't think so. Just go that way.
Oh, okay. Come on, bud.
I found an old picture on my phone of the pothos when we first put the moss pole in it.
Yeah, how different it looks.
Look how small it was.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
And like looking at it, because like, you know, it's such a slow process. I was like, I don't even feel, I think I just said something the other day. I'm like, I feel like it hasn't even grown.
Oh, it has.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's so bushy now. And
It's like grown up. Yeah.
Bigger.
And it's like grown up and it's really cool.
Even same thing with the second one that we have. It's not as like bushy, but it definitely got
No.
a lot fucking longer. Come on, leave it.
Like I was almost thinking of like, do you think we could do like a trellis?
A what?
A trellis?
What's that?
The wood things?
We just found a lot of them, so I don't know.
Yeah. Well.
What?
Yeah, if it. But I mean, that's if it's like outdoors and stuff. I mean, it's not outdoors. I'm just thinking of a way that we could get it to grow bigger without the moss pole. Because like I really want to try to get that one as big as possible, you know?
Yeah.
Like let's just try to have a giant pothos. Because I've seen some of them online where they're crazy.
Dude, stop.
Let's go that way. Not really much of a pond right now, is it?
No.
Like, I remember when I first got my camera, I came here and was taking pictures of ducks and stuff. Like there's
Yeah, it's very dry.
no water here right now, yeah. I think we should plan like a little vacay. Somewhere we could just like drive to or something.
Yeah, we should.
Like maybe northern Michigan or something. We'll plan it out so like it'll be like a holiday thing.
We just went to a circle. Oh, that's fine. No. 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 Milo, no. No. Would you run off somewhere, you fucking asshole? No. No. No.
Good morning. Wonder what kind of bird that is.
No, come on, leave it. No. Milo.
Please give me him.
No, it's fine. I got it.
No, please. Please. Hey. Act right. Come on.